Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about 14th August cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple cake designs that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you are interested in these types of designs, in these types of video, then please guys like, share and comment on my YouTube video. And I hope you enjoy my cake designs. And I hope you love my cake designs. And I hope you love my cake creativity. Thank you so much guys to watching, to like, to share my YouTube video. And I hope you these designs and this creativity are fantastic. And I hope this video is very authentic and creative for beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you have interested in these types of designs, then please visit my channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. These decorations bring the excitement of Independence Day and to make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like more ideas or if you like any designs, if you new my channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each theme for Independence Day, whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and if you new my channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Consider this theme decor matching the occasions. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like any designs, and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, or another celebration idea, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys to watching, to share, to like. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.